Where you are, ma?
Lakshmi Kantamma, near Madanapalli, Andhra, sir.
Andhra. Best wishes, ma. So today it is 6th sloka, am I right?
Yes, Guru.
Okay.
Yeah. Panchana
Panchana
Nabja.
Nabja.
That ja should be from the tip of the tongue, not so emphatic. It is like a ja for Janaganaman.
Nabja.
Nabja. Bhava. Shanmukha. Vasa. Vadyaha. Traivikramadi. Charitam. Here also you have pronounced very correctly. That cha should be from the tip of the tongue without any stress because cha is here alpa prana. Charitam you have pronounced it correctly. Vibudhas. Stuvanti. No, tu you should not give stress. Stuvanti. Bhasha. Bharatam. Bhasha. Patif. Bhasha Patif. I told that Ba is not like Balachandran. Ba is like Bharatam. Ib plus Ka. Bhasha Patif. Pathati. Shama prana. Pathati. Vasara. Shuddhi. Marat. So slight finishing touch you have to give. Instead of Marat, you should sell Marat. That's why T double dot we have given. T also in italics we have given. Marat. Slight twisting of the tongue. Finishing touch we have to give because of the alant. Marat. Are you understanding what I am telling, ma?
Telugu, sir.
After Telugu, but you have to say not Marat. Marat, no. Marat. No. Marat. Listen and repeat what I am telling. Marat. Like that it should come. Sheshadri. Shekhara. Correct. Vibho. Tava suprabhatam. It's a bhatam, you have to extend. Tava suprabhatam. Excellent. Wishing you all the best. Next student.
Venkata Papayaji, please unmute.
Manarena Guruji.
Best wishes. Yeah.
Venkatappa from Hyderabad, sir.
Yeah. Panchananabja bhava. Panchananabja bhava.
Panchananabja bhava. Panchananabja bhava.
Shanmukha.
Shanmukha. Shanmukha.
Vasavadyaha.
Vasavadyaha. Vasavadyaha.
Traivikramadicaritam.
Traivikramadicaritam. Traivikramadicaritam.
Vibudhastuvanti. Vibudhastuvanti.
Vibudhastuvanti. Vibudhastuvanti.
You have to end with the yes and again start with the yes. So half matra for first yes, half matra for second yes. Vibudhastuvanti.
Vibudhastuvanti. Vibudhastuvanti.
Bhashapati pathati vasara.
Bhashapati pathati. Bhashapati pathati.
Vasara suddhi marat.
Vasara shuddhi marat. Vasara shuddhi marat.
Not two. Slight twisting only. Marat. Instead of marat, you should say marat. That's all. Small twisting. That's all. It will not take the position of two. It is not two. It is it only, but slightly extending. Vasara shuddhi marat.
Vasara shuddhi marat.
Not
Vasara
two. Slight
shuddhi
twisting only, not this much. Marat.
Vasara shuddhi marat.
Sheshadrishekhara vibho.
Sheshadrishekhara vibho. Sheshadrishekhara vibho.
Tava suprabhatam.
Tava suprabhatam. Tava suprabhatam.
Excellent. Next student, final iteration.
Sirisha Pelleti. Please unmute ji.
Namo Venkateshaya Guruji.
Best wishes. From where, ma? All devotees, they should tell the location also.
Hyderabad Guruji.
Thank you. Best wishes. Panchananabja bhava shanmukha vasavadyaha.
Panchananabja bhava shanmukha vasavadyaha.
Two mahapranas are there. Bhava bha shanmukha kha. Mahaprana. Yeah.
Okay, Guruji. Panchananabja bhava shanmukha vasavadyaha.
Vadyaha. Ka is short letter. Not vadyaha. No. Vadyaha.
Vadyaha.
Yeah.
Panchananabja bhava shanmukha vasavadyaha.
Traivikramadicaritam vibudhastuvanti.
Traivikramadicaritam vibudhastuvanti. Traivikramadicaritam vibudhastuvanti.
Bhashapati pathati vasara suddhi marat.
Bhashapati pathati vasara suddhi marat.
Suddhi marat. Not su. It is shu. Shubhadinam. Shubham. Bhashapati pathati vasara shuddhi marat.
Bhashapati pathati vasara shuddhi marat. Bhashapati pathati vasara shuddhi marat.
Again, I am getting a suddhi. You are using the tip of the tongue, but you have to use the middle of the tongue, upper palate, நாக்கு நடுவுல மேல எண்ணத்துல வச்சு சொல்லணும், not from the nuni நாக்கு, not from the tip of the tongue. If you use tip of the tongue, you will get the sound su for Subramanyam. But if you use the middle of the tongue, upper palate, then you will get the sound shu for Shubhadinam, Shubham, Shubhango Loka Sarangas, how you are telling. But whereas Sutantustantu Vardhanaga, we don't want Sutantustu, but we want Shubhango. Shubhango, that shu we want. Shuddhimarat.
Shuddhimarat. Shuddhimarat.
Sheshadrishekhara vibho tava suprabhatam.
Sheshadrishekhara vibho tava suprabhatam. Sheshadrishekhara vibho tava suprabhatam.
Shekhara vibho, Shekhara vibho, Sheshadri, She, both are one and the same. So we should get the same pronunciation in both. Sheshadrishekhara vibho tava suprabhatam.
Sheshadrishekhara vibho tava suprabhatam. Sheshadrishekhara vibho tava suprabhatam.
Best wishes, ma, best wishes. We will move on to the next shloka.
Thank you.
Gita
You can change
PVG.
the slide,
Please unmute.
Aditya. Aditya, you can change the slide, ma. Om Namo Narayana, you are from where, ma?
I am from Bengaluru, sir, Karnataka.
Bangalore. Okay. Aditya, you are there. 7th shloka. You can shift, ma. Am I audible to Aditya?
Audible to me.
Yeah. Ishat.
Ishat.
Praphulla.
Prafulla.
Not Prapulla. Praphulla. Mahaprana Pu. This is not coming in Vishnu Sahasranam, but here we are getting. In my Vishnu Sahasranam, we have only Pa Mahaprana. Spatika Mani. Phalashruti. That Pa we are having, Pu we are not having, but we are having here. Praphulla. No, you are telling Pu ma, Pu for pulling. But what we want is Praphulla. Pu Mahaprana. Pu. You have to pronounce ip from the lips and hu from the throat. Praphulla. Yeah. You got it, ma. You got it now. Sarasiruha.
Sarasiruha.
Narikela.
Narikela.
Pugadrumadi.
Pugadrumadi.
Sumanohara.
Sumanohara.
Palikanam.
Palikanam.
Avadimandamanilas.
Avadimandamanilas.
Sahadivyakandhaihi. Dai Mahaprana. Sahadivyagandhaihi. Gandhaihi. Dhai. Mahaprana has to come, ma. Gandhaihi. Gandhaihi. Ga is alpa prana only, not to give stress. Only dhai we have to give, it has come. Yeah. Sheshadri. Shekhara. Vibho.
विभो विभो
तव सुप्रभातम्
तव सुप्रभातम् तव सुप्रभातम्
excellent next student
Rajima. S. Lakshmi Kantama.
Lakshmikantam recited Ji.
Lakshmi
next student.
Kantama. Kantama.
next student
Yeah, recited now. First person. Recited Nalima.
yeah next
Okay, go
student ma
ahead,
who
go
is
ahead.
there
Suguna Ji. Suguna Adipudi. Please unmute Ji.
ఓం నమో నారాయణ అండి.
om namo narayana ma
ఐఎమ్ సుగుణ ఆదిపూడి ఫ్రమ్ హైదరాబాద్.
best wishes ma best wishes ఈషత్ ప్రఫుల్ల సరసీరుహ
ఈషత్ ప్రఫుల్ల సరసీరుహ
ప్రఫుల్ల భూమా ప్రాణ ప్రఫుల్ల
ప్రఫుల్ల ఈషత్
ప్రఫుల్ల
ఫుల్
you have to
సరసీ
pronounce like this you have to pronounce like this ప్రఫుల్ల
ఈషత్ ప్రఫుల్ల
not ip plus who. Instead of that, you have to pronounce ip plus who. Who are you? Who?
ఈషత్
Ishat Praphulla.
ఈషత్ ప్రఫుల్ల
Praphulla.
ఈషత్ ప్రఫుల్ల
Sarasiruha.
సరసీరుహ సరసీరుహ
Narikela Bhugatrumadi Sumanohara Palikanam.
నారికేల పూగద్రుమాది సుమనోహర పాలికానాం నారికేల పూగద్రుమాది సుమనోహర పాలికానాం
Palikanam. You have to give finishing touch. Of course, we will correct the PowerPoint also by giving 2 dots. Yeah. Avati Mandamanilasaka Divya Gandhaihi.
ఆవాతి మంద నిలస్సహ దివ్య గంధైః
Not Mandanilas, it is Mandamanilas. Yeah.
ఆవాతి మంద మనిలస్సహ దివ్య గంధైః
Once more.
ఆవాతి మంద మనిలస్సహ దివ్య గంధైః
Sheshadrishekhara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam.
శేషాద్రిశేఖర విభో తవ సుప్రభాతం శేషాద్రిశేఖర విభో తవ సుప్రభాతం.
Best wishes, ma. Best wishes. Next
Om Namo
student,
Narayana.
full iteration.
Hemant Kumar Ji, please. Unmute. Hemant Kumar. Chitra Vijaya Ji, please unmute.
Anybody
Proceed.
else?
Ji. Proceed.
கேக்குதுங்களா மேடம்? குருஜி
என்ன பேருமா? என்ன பேரு?
என் பேர் இந்திரா திருப்பதி.
தேவப்பட்டி.
ஓம் நமோ நாராயண குருஜி.
ஓம் நமோ நாராயண குருஜி.
Om Namo Narayana.
Ji, you can recite afterwards after Indra Ji. Please unmute.
அன்மியூட் மேடம். ஓகே.
Yeah.
Not you, ma.
Yeah. Who is Indraji is chanting, ma? Who is chanting now?
Indra Ji.
ஓகே 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 குருஜி.
Indraji from
நமஸ்காரம்
Tirupati,
குருஜி.
You open the mic. You are from Tirupati
Okay,
and we are chanting Sri Venkatesha Suprabhatam, which is sung in Tirupati every day, early morning. Yeah.
ஓகே ஓகே. பிரசன்ட் ஐ அம்.
Yeah, best wishes, ma. Ishat Praphulla Sarasiruhanari Kela Bhugatrumadi Sumanohara Palikanam.
ஈஷத் பிரபுல்ல நரசீருஹ நாரிகேல பூகத்ருமாதி சுமனோஹர பாலிகாணாம்.
Only one correction. You are mistaking it as Prabhu. It is not Prabhu. Prabhulla. First pa only, not second pa. Not second pa. Prabhulla. Mahaprana. Because of that we have put that one. P-R-A-P-H-U-L-L-A. Prapulla. That is Mahaprana.
ईषत् प्रफुल्ल सरसीर्ह नारिकेल भूखत् पूखत्रुमादि सुमनोहर पालिकाणाम्
Avati mandamanilas saha divya gandhaihi.
आवाति मन्दमनिलः सह दिव्यगन्धैः
Gandhaihi. Ga for Ganesha. Ganga.
गन्धैः
Yeah.
आवाति मन्दमनिलः सह दिव्यगन्धैः
शेषाद्रिशेखर विभो तव सुप्रभातम्.
शेषाद्रिशेखर विभो तव सुप्रभातम् शेषाद्रिशेखर विभो तव सुप्रभातम्.
Best wishes. In another 8 minutes, we will see the introductory meaning of these two shlokas. In the first shloka of Sri Venkateshwara Suprabhatam, Kausalya Supraja Rama Purva, in that we have seen that the Lord of Tirvenkatam is awakened as Sri Ramachandra Murti, as Kausalya Supraja. And in the second shloka, he is awakened as Govindan. Uttishto Uttishta Govinda Uttishta. And in the third and the fourth shloka we have seen, he is awakened, Sri Mahalakshmi is awakened in that shlokas, two shlokas, Mata Samasta Jagatam Madhu Kaita Bharehi. And from the fifth shlokam onwards, Tiruvenkatamudayan is awakened. In the fifth shloka we saw in the previous last session, 3 or 4 days ago, the arrival of sages, the arrival of rishis like Atri, etc., Sapta rishis, they have arrived to have the darshan of Lord Sri Venkateshwara, and that too, they came after having their bath in the early hours, early morning, and after performing their Sandhya Vandanam, etc. Now in this today's 6th shloka, gods like Paramashivan, Panchanana. So they are coming to participate in this Suprabhata Darshanam of the Lord of 7 hills is described. And in the 7th shloka, it focuses on the fragrant morning breeze. So, Panchanana. Pancha means you know all, it is 5. So, 5-faced, referring to Lord Shiva. Pancha Ananaha. Ananaha means it is face, or face. Head. It is, we can call it as head. So 5 heads. This Ananaha we have in Vishnu Sahasranamam also. Aneka Murti Ravyakta Shata Murti Shatananaha Shata Ananaha. Shatananaha, where we have the meaning, you have completed B syllabus, I think. The multiple headed, we used to say. The multiple headed. So Shatananaha, like that here it is Panchananaha. 5 headed, referring to Lord Shiva, Parameshwara. Then Abja Bhava. Born from the lotus, referring to Lord Brahma. Abja Bhava. Lord Brahma who appeared on the lotus flower. Abja means lotus. Next, Shan Mukha. Mukha means face. Shan means 6. Shan Matam. 6 philosophies in our Sanatana Dharma, Shaivam, Vaishnavam, Adityam, Shaktam, Shakti, Skandam, then Ganapati. So like that, Shanmukham, Shanmatham, Shatangam, Vedangangal, Shatangam, Shattar, Shan, both are 6. So 6 face referring to Lord Subramanya, also known as Kartikeya. Vasa, they are residing. Vachaspati, Vasa, Vasu, Vasumana Satya, Vasu, Vasa, Srini Vasa, who is residing. So, Vadyaha, we know Vadyam means it is playing the Vadyams, we say. So, it is celestial musicians. Vibhudas, it is celestial gods, celestial beings. Charitam, stories. Charitram, Prahalada Charitram, Gajendra Moksha Charitam. Like that, it is stories, deeds. Stuvanti, Stuvantakap, Stuvannama Sagasrena, all these words we are having in our Vishnu Sahasranamam. So, Stuvanti means it is praise or sing in glory. Trivikramadi, Trivikrama Adi. Adi means etc. Like. So, Bhagavan's Trivikrama Avatara. So, all Paramashiva, Brahma, Shanmukha, and the Nilai Vidwangal, that is residential celestial musicians, and other celestial gods, demigods, or celestial beings, they are all praising and singing in glory the stories, charitram, the deeds of Bhagavan's stories, like Trivikrama Avatara, that is the Lord Mahavishnu, Bhagavan Krishna, who has taken the Vamana and Trivikrama, particularly measuring the entire universe with his 3 great strides. Tripadas, Tridashadhyaksha, we have seen Tripada. Bhasha Patihi, Bhasha Patihi. Bhasha means language, you know. Bhasha. Patihi, Lord for that. Who is that? He is called Brahaspati, the teacher of all the gods. So, Patati, he recites, he reads, he recites. Vasaraha, the morning Panchangam, the morning hymns. Shuddhi, for what? For purification. Marat, from the day or dawn. Sheshadri, Sheshadri hill associated with Lord Venkateshwara. Shekhara Vibho, Lord of Sheshadri hill. Shekhara Vibho, Vibho, Vibhuhu, Vishwabhup Vibhuhu. We have in Vishnu Sahasranam. Vishwabhup Vibhuhu, same way. Vibhuhu means all pervading, greatest, opulent and powerful. Tava, your Suprabhatam, your morning salutation. This your morning, we salute you, we greet you. So, O Lord Venkateshwara, standing on the top of the Seshadri hill, O the mighty Lord who dwells in the serpentine means it is snake, that is Seshan, Adiseshan, serpentine hill of Sheshadri. The leaders of the Devas, such as Maheshwara, Panchamukha Maheshwara, the Lord who has born from the Kamalam, lotus, that is Brahma, and the 6-faced Shanmukha and Indra, accompanied by the celestial musician, are eulogizing, praising your heroic deed of measuring the words with just 3 steps. Moonradi Manketan Vamanan Ulagile, Moonjana Vaitado Manavan Talaile. So, praising your heroic deed of measuring the words with just 3 steps, Trivikrama Avatara, and also, so these gods are praising your Trivikrama Avatara. Side by side, the Lord of languages, Brahaspati, the Deva Guru, who is the saint of all devas, is the Bhashapati, means the Lord of sacred speech. That Brahaspati, he is standing at a distance, reading out the Panchangam for this day, the Hindu calendar, Sanatana Dharmic calendar. We call it in English as Almanac. Now also we are going to read the Panchangam next week, at least as a symbolic way on the New Year's Day. The same way the Panchangam. Panchangam means, Pancha means again 5. It is having the 5 attributes of our calendar day, that is Tithi, Vara, Nakshatra, Yoga and Karana. For instance, if we are to go read the Panchangam today, for today, the 5 attributes from that Panchangam for today as per the Indian Standard Day. Because if who are listening from America and other places, the day may be one day earlier. But for today, as per Indian Standard Time, it is Kroji Nama Samvatsare Uttarayane Shishira Ritau Meena Mase Shukla Pakshe Adya Ashtamyam. Ashtamyam is the Tithi, and Vasara, Sthira Vasara is the Vasara. Aradra is the Nakshatram, star. Atiganda Nama is the Yoga, and the Bhadrai Nama Karanam. So like that, Brahaspati reads out the Panchangam for the day, for this day, and thus purifies the cleanses the day. Shuddhi Marat. O Lord of Seshadri Hill, O the one who manifested on the peak of the Seshadri Hill, in this your beautiful dawn, Tava Suprabhatam, morning, our morning salutation to you, our morning greetings to you. May it be the auspicious dawn to you, Lord of Seshachala. May it be an auspicious dawn to thee, dawn to you, says this shloka. So we should have the feel as if we are sitting in Tirumala, as if we are standing in front of the Ananta Nilayam. By mind we should think ourselves as we are there and seeing the entire Suprabhata Seva. And the 7th shloka, Ishat Prapulla Sarasi Ruhanari Kela Pugatrumadi Sumanohara Palikana Avati Manda Manila Saka Dibya Gandhaihi Sheshadri Shekhara Vibho Sheshadri Shekhara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam. So Ishat means subtly, gently, slowly, slightly. Praphulla means blooming. Kingeni Void say the Pupole Shengan Viyadu, Kodayandal says. Like slowly it is opening, blossoming. So subtly, gently, slightly blooming, slightly blossomed flower. Ishat Praphulla Isha. Ishat Praphulla. Sarasi Ruha. Lotuses. Why? Sarasi means pool, lake, and Ruha means the grows. So what is growing in the pool, the lake, is Sarasi Ruha, lotuses. Sarasija Nayani, Saroja Haste, we see in Lakshmi Ashtotra Shatanamavali, in that Sarasija Nayani. So Sarasi Ruha means it is the lotus. Narikela, in Puja Naivedya Mandal we hear this word. Narikela, Khandadvayam means the coconut which is broken into 2 pieces. Dvayam means 2. Khanda means broken. Khanda Parashur, is it not? Udhanva Khanda Parashuhu. Khanda means that the axe which Parashurama was having, it is capable of breaking the things. So, Khanda. So, Narikela means it is coconut. And Pugadrumadi. Pugadrumadi means Pugadrum Adi. Adi means etc. Like the fragrant puga trees, that is young betelnut trees. Areca palm trees we used to say in English. It is Paku Marangal, young betelnut trees and others. Sumanohara, they are beautiful and pleasing. Palikanam, like that a group of trees, a group of clusters of trees. Avati, they emits, they spread, they give the fragrance. Manda Manilas, this is Visargam, so we can drop it. Manda Manilaha, it is giving the gentle breeze. So in the morning time, how it will be very nice. Saka, along with that, Divya Gandhaihi, not only that it gives not only the gentle breeze, it gives the divine fragrances also. In this nowadays, if we go and stand below the neem tree would have blossomed with the vepambu, the good fragrance will be there. Similarly, the parichata tree, if we stand near, it will give the very excellent breeze. Is it not fragrant? Same way. Sheshadri hill associated with the Lord Venkateshwara, Shekhara Vibhu, the Lord of Sheshadri hill, all pervading, is the greatest, opulent and powerful. Tava, your Suprabhatam, this is your morning salutation from us greeting. So, O Lord, standing on the top of Sheshadri hill, O mighty Lord who dwells in the serpentine hill of Sheshadri, the gentle breeze carrying the invigorating fragrance from the partly blossomed lotuses, the tender ears of the coconut and the betelnut trees is blowing gently. It is giving great, pleasant and divine fragrances. O Lord of the Sheshadri hills, may it be an auspicious dawn to thee. Lord of Sheshachala, O the one who manifested on the peak of the Sheshadri hill, this is your beautiful dawn. Tavasuprabhatam, our morning salutation to you, our morning greetings to you, Lord Venkatesha. May it be an auspicious dawn to you. Actually, if we see very deeply, this slokam reminds us the passage from the third pasuram of Tondaradi Podiyalvar's Tirupalli Elchi. Every day in Vishwas at 4 o'clock, Rajeshwari madam may be knowing, we sing, we chant Suprabhatam and also Tirupalli Elchi and Tirupavai. In the Tirupalli Elchi, there is one Mundram Pasuram. Sudarvoli Parandana Sultisa Yellam, Tunniya Taragai Minnoli Suringi, Padarvoli Pasuttanan Panimati Ivano, Payirul Agantadu, Paim Kamugin Madalidai Kirivan Palaigal Nara, Baikarai Kurndadu Marudam Iduvo, Adalvoli Tigartar Tigriam Tadakai, Arangatama Palli Elundarulaye. In that, the Tondaradi Pudiyalvar says, the rays of the sun is gradually going to spread everywhere. Sudar Oli, Parandana Sultisa Yellam, Tunniya Taragai Minnoli Suringi, Padarvoli Pasuttanan Panimadi, Ivano, Payirul Agantradu. He says, the brilliance of the tightly grouped stars has now faded, and even the cool moon has lost the light. The enveloping darkness has been dispelled. And in the next line, we find the same synonyms in this Venkateshwara Suprabhatam. That is what we have seen is Pugadrumadi Sumanohara Palikanam. The same way here it says Paimbolu Kamugin Madalidai Kiri Vanpalaigal Nara, meaning that the enveloping darkness has been dispelled. The gentle morning breeze has carried the enchanting, pleasing fragrance by brushing against the betel tree's petals. So, same thing Tondaradi Podiyalvar has told. By brushing against the betel tree's petals, O Lord, who holds the powerful discus in your divine hand, O Swami, residing in the sacred Sri Rangam temple, O Sri Ranganatha, please awaken Palli Elundarulayi and bestow your grace upon us. So thus, this Venkatesha Suprabhatam's sloka also beautifully describes the serene and the fragrant morning atmosphere surrounding in the Tirumala hills at the abode of Lord Sri Venkateshwara, invoking the poetic and divine salutation to him. The slightly blooming lotuses on the lake and the coconut and the betel nut and other trees, they are worshipping you, O Lord, by blowing gentle breeze towards you, which is filled with divine fragrance. The trees are in that way singing your namas, namaha to you, the one who manifested on the peak of the Seshadri hill in your beautiful dawn. Please, our early morning prayers, our early morning salutation, greeting to you, O Seshachala. Om Namo Narayanaya. Best wishes to all of you. With this, we conclude today's class. Tomorrow we will continue. Final prayer. Thank you.
Thank you, Guruji. Thank you for the wonderful recitation and the meanings also.
Thank you.
Now we will end with the session with the closing prayer, Guruji.
Yeah, please.
Om Namo Narayana Guruji.
Yeah, best wishes.
Sri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane Sri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane Sri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane Sri Rama Nama Varanane Om Namaiti Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you. Your good name, sir?
I'm Hemant from Hyderabad, madam.
Okay.
Hemant Kumar.
Yes, ma'am. Hemant Kumar, Hyderabad.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you all. Thank you all devotees for your consistent support. And also thank you Nalima, Shamlama, Aditya, and the admin team. And also Sridharan for giving the divine platform. Thank you all. Om Namo Venkateshaya. Hari Om.
Hari Om to all. Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you, Pa.
Aditya, that YouTube link, please upload it.
Okay.